Cold laser LED therapy is designed to calm inflammation, support acne-prone skin, and improve the look of stressed or reactive skin. This gentle treatment uses low-intensity LED light to deliver light energy into the skin and support natural repair. It can help reduce visible redness, support acne management, and promote a clearer, more balanced complexion over time. This treatment is ideal for individuals looking for a gentle, non-invasive approach to support skin recovery and maintenance. Typically, this treatment offers gradual improvement with optimal results achieved through 3 to 5 sessions spaced 2 to 3 weeks apart, with maintenance as needed. The treatment takes approximately 40 minutes and is generally relaxing and comfortable with no downtime after the procedure. Book a consultation to see if this treatment is right for you.